A story about the mind. It's said that the greatest escape artist of all time, Harry Houdini, could free himself from any locked cell in the world. He often boasted, "Give me 60 minutes in any jail, and I will escape." So when a small town in the British Isles built a brand new, escape-proof jail, they invited Houdini to test it. Confident as ever, Houdini accepted. He walked into the jail wearing his street clothes. The heavy door closed behind him with a loud clang. The people outside waited eagerly, whispering that this would be another easy victory for the great magician. Houdini took out a small piece of steel wire hidden in his belt, his secret lockpick. He began to work on the lock. Minutes turned into an hour. Sweat dripped down his forehead. He could hear every tiny click of the metal tumblers. But something felt strange. The lock didn't respond like it should. He tried every trick he knew. 30 minutes passed, then 45, then an hour and a half. Still, the door didn't move. Houdini, the man who escaped from chains and water tanks, was now trembling in frustration. Finally, exhausted and defeated, he leaned his full weight against the door, and to his shock, it quietly swung open. The door had never been locked, not even once. The only lock that held Houdini captive was the one in his own mind, the belief that the door must be locked. Because he believed it, he never tried to simply push it open. And isn't that exactly what happens to so many of us? We tell ourselves stories like, "I'm not smart enough," "I can't learn a new language," or "It's too late to start something new." We struggle against invisible barriers, not realizing that most of them exist only in our thinking. Houdini's greatest trick wasn't escaping from chains or water tanks. It was realizing that freedom begins in the mind. The moment we stop believing in our own limits, we discover that the door was open all along. Moral of the story: the strongest prison is the one built inside your mind, and the key to escape is belief.